Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Guyanese potato salad. Peel and boil waxy potatoes until fork tender, then cool and chop into bite-sized pieces. Sauté onion, celery, and pimento for flavor, then fold into potatoes. Mix mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, lime juice, salt, and pepper for a bright dressing. Add chopped chives and chopped hard-boiled eggs, then chill briefly so flavors meld. Serve slightly chilled for best texture and taste. Measure ingredients before you start to keep prep smooth and relaxed. Choose waxy potatoes and cook until easily pierced by a fork but not falling apart. Combine mayo, Dijon, lime juice, and a pinch of sugar to balance acidity. Fold in sautéed vegetables, eggs, and chopped herbs gently to retain texture. Taste and adjust seasoning, then chill briefly so the salad develops deeper, balanced flavors for serving. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing recipes you enjoy. Quick recommendation: I picked leak-proof containers that make meal prep and transporting potato salad mess-free and hassle-free, perfect for picnics or work lunches. They seal tight, stack neatly, and save fridge space while keeping dressings contained. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Handle potatoes with care to keep chunks intact and prevent gluey texture. Cook evenly sized pieces so they finish at the same time, and drain well to avoid diluting the dressing. Sauté onions and celery until soft, then cool slightly before adding to the salad to prevent wilting. Adjust salt gradually and taste as you go, because chilling will change perceived seasoning and bring out sweeter notes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.